Introduce the interface buttons. Safety lock. Power button. Menu key. Query key. Power on status display. After clicking, shut down status display. This is a menu button. Click on the main control parameters. The first interface is some parameters, and the second interface. Maximum voltage, 70 volts. Minimum voltage, 50 volts. This can be adjusted according to the parameters. High pressure and low pressure can be adjusted. This interface mainly looks at the two items of highest and lowest pressure. Then return and exit. Then this button, like magnifying glass. This key is a query key, and the interface is just some of the parameters. Turn to the second page. This interface is some running fault codes. Then return to the main menu. Adjust the temperature. Just press the up and down keys directly. Click it to enter the temperature setting. Then press the up and down keys to adjust. Interface static automatic exit.